What if the skills you use every day, facilitation, design, learner engagement, could be sharpened in just 2 weeks without disrupting your day job, without guessing what works? In today's hybrid-first, fast-moving world, staying ahead isn't optional. It's essential. The learning landscape is changing fast. As an L&D pro, you're being asked to do more than ever. Engage learners across platforms, deliver real results, and still somehow keep growing yourself. But when's the last time you had space to focus on your development? Too often, you're left scrambling, trying to keep up with the shifting tools and expectations without the structure or the support that you need. That's why we created the InSync Training Masterclass series, a professional development experience built for today's learning professionals. Each workshop is a 2-week blended journey with everything designed to fit into your schedule without sacrificing impact. And here's what you get: self-paced microlearning to fit your workflow, a live 2-hour virtual workshop with expert instructors, real-time collaboration, and instant feedback, a microlearning toolkit with curated bite-sized resources, and a final project that proves you can apply what you've learned in your real-world environment. Now, imagine selecting 6 of these high-impact workshops from our full catalog, crafting your own development path, or one for your whole team, all for $2,000. Stop surviving, start thriving in virtual and hybrid environments. Walk away with strategies, tools, and confidence that you can apply right away. Connect with global peer networks that are as passionate about learning as you are. Because when you're equipped with the right strategies, you're not just keeping up, you're leading the way. Explore the Masterclass series, 6 expert-led workshops, just $2,000, or connect with an InSync expert and build a path to reach your goals. You don't have to wait for the future of learning. You can lead it, starting now.